Igbo Igbo ekenekwa m ọzọ. Anyị abatago na village kitchen. If you don't know how to cook banga stew or banga rice, oya follow me. Ọ bụrụ na ịma ka esi esi ofe akwụ, please always watch this video. Try to share it. This is a banga palm fruit. Mkpụrụ akwụ. Once you gather palm fruit, put it on the bowl, add salt, and wash it. Transfer it to your cooking pot. Shall we see my cooking pot? Transfer it to your cooking pot. Then you cover it. Set it on fire. And you are cooking, you see it. Remember that we want to prepare banga stew or banga rice. Ofe Akwu. Stew Ofe Akwu. Wow. Very wonderful. I am in a village kitchen. Share this message, okay? Ayawa. What is your... So I decided to use hand. Okay. In order to get palm fruits oil, palm oil. Igbo amaka. Then you filter it. Desire. You see our banga oil. This is our pan kernel. Why this one is the fiber? Okay. This is our palm oil we are using to prepare banga soup. Ofe Akwu. Let us proceed. There's something I want you to observe always. Try to filter it very well. Let me show you. Try to filter it very well. It's very important. Then this is the age. Shall we see that substances? Sorry, you know, put it. Let us check what we are cooking. Wow. Very nice. Let us shake our... Can I shake it? I see. Wow. Very fantastic.